Welcome to Đà Lạt, the city of flowers. Today, we will explore one of the most untouched and lesser-known lakes. Have you ever heard of Elephant Lake? One of the largest and most untouched lakes in Đà Lạt. Elephant Lake, also called Cá Voi. This is a peaceful place, hidden deep within the majestic mountains and forests. Elephant Lake is located about 15 kilometers from Đà Lạt city centre. On the way here, you will pass winding roads, lush green tea hills, an endless pine forest stretching into the horizon. What makes Elephant Lake truly special is its untouched beauty. The vast, tranquil water surface looks like a giant mirror, reflecting the sky, clouds, and surrounding mountains. Here, you can sit quietly and listen to the wind rustling through the pine forest. Stroll along the lakeside. Or go boating to embrace the rare peace. In the early morning, the lake is often covered by a mystical mist, creating a magical atmosphere. Not far from the lake are villages of the Cá Voi ethnic people. They live a simple life, closely connected to nature, and often hold traditional festivals, rich in cultural identity. Elephant Lake is not only an untouched gem in Đà Lat's mountains, but also a place where you can find inner peace. If you ever visit Đà Lạt, don't miss the chance to discover this hidden treasure. Around the lake is the simple life of the local people, mainly the Cá Voi ethnic community. They live closely with the mountains and the lake, farming and raising livestock in traditional ways. Sometimes, you may see children playing by the lakeside, or villagers carrying firewood on their shoulders, all forming a picture of true serenity. If one day you wish to escape the hustle and bustle of the city, come here, listen to the voice of nature, and let your soul be healed. If this brought you peace, consider liking and subscribing,